Hey, what's going on everyone? Nick here. Today we're going to be reviewing Mango Street's new presets. These are actually the first presets I've ever bought, but when I saw their promo and saw how they built them, I was sold and I kind of wanted to try something new. Presets are definitely an essential tool when it comes to editing. I usually just build my own, but they save you lots of time, and if they're built correctly, you can make your minor tweaks to each photo and dial in an edit that together the photos are cohesive. What you definitely want when you're shooting like a wedding or family photos, any portraits, you don't want one looking really moody and the other one looking light and airy. You want them to all to be cohesive. And nowadays, Instagram is almost like your portfolio. So when someone first clicks on your name and they see those top 9 photos, if they all look cohesive and the layout's just on point, that first impression is key. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in and check out these Mango Street presets. Okay, to truly review these presets, I wanted to choose a variety of different photos. So I have some portraits here and also some landscapes and different lighting. We have sunsets, some beaches, just an array of different lightings and situations to throw some presets on, and we'll see how they look. And let's go ahead and start on this photo. First thing I'm gonna do, because it bugs me, is just bring this in to get rid of that negative space. And then let's go ahead and click through these. So first we'll go through these blues here, and Mango Street says that the blues work best on photos with even lighting which feature rich colors. Next we have the copper. They say it works best for images with blues and reds, as it makes the reds look like a little more copper and the blues get a little washed out with a more aqua hue. Next we have the golden, and they say it brings out great contrast, beautiful colors, and really just takes your golden hour photos to the next level. And then here are the grays, and these are going to work well in photos that already don't have lots of color to begin with. So maybe it's something a little more urban, which I don't really have too many photos like that. So I don't see myself really using the grays. But let's go ahead and go into the tans. So the tans, they have a real warm tone to them. Greens, browns, and reds are all going to look very good with this preset. And last we have the whites, and then these are kind of your minimalist photos. You have your white walls with the green eucalyptus plants, or whatever they're called. If you're just going for a minimal Instagram layout, this preset is going to work great. All right, now we'll see what it looks like on this landscape photo. I'll center the waterfall first, and let's go through them here again. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish editing these out. I'll go ahead and edit them in groups by preset. So I'll edit a group in the blues, the coppers, the goldens, and the tan. And then I'll go ahead and upload those to an Instagram account. I'm going to make a new account just for this, and I'll link that in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys when I'm done editing. Alright, so I've uploaded these all to a new Instagram account. Go ahead and click that now so we can all look at these together. On top I have the blues, which I think is my favorite preset, mainly because of the high contrast and it has that pop of color. Pretty much already matches how I edit now. Next we have the golden, which I noticed just has that teal and orange vibe and kind of a high contrast. You can't go wrong with a preset like that. Next we have the copper, which isn't necessarily my style, but together it looks good. And last but not least, we have the tans. The tans is actually my wife's favorite, and I gotta admit they all look good together. You really can't go wrong with any of these. All right, that's gonna do it for me, guys. If you aren't using presets, I highly suggest you do. They are such an essential tool when it comes to editing. I'll leave the link in the description below for Mango Streets preset, but I highly suggest you check out their channel as well. They are hilarious. They have great tutorials. I love their personality. You gotta watch their ads. They're just creative geniuses, and they just seem like all around great people. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. See you guys in the next video. Peace! Also, you guys like the new lights? These aren't lights with little gel in the front. I just have this little handy dandy remote. Yeah. But yeah, Amazon special.